Hey, course creators, I wanted to share this quick tip with you. What I'm trying to do is if you have bought new Zenler through my affiliate link, then you get to book a one-on-one session with me, like a one-on-one call, which is a 30-minute call. So I want to show you how I'm implementing that within new Zenler. So I have a few moving parts here. First, when you book a call with me, I want you to fill out this Google form, which has a bunch of questions, which will help me understand your business better. And then the next step is for me to show you this Calendly calendar once you have finished the form so that you can schedule your call with me. So how I'm planning on doing that is I'm going to go to courses here. I'm going to create a new course here and call it one-on-one call with Amit. And this is going to be part of your new Zenler bonus. So schedule, I'm going to pause this, fill out the details and be right back. All right, so I've built out I filled in all the details. So if I click here and look at the course details, you'll see here's the course title, here's the course subtitle, and then the description is in here somewhere too. I'm going to mark this course secret. So only if you're part of my bonus, you'll be able to see this. So now what I want to do is in the curriculum, book a call. I'm going to name that. So I also added a emoji here, and if you want to add emojis to your courses, what you do is go to emojipedia.org, copy an emoji that you want, you can click on smileys, etc., and then you can just paste it in here as text. So now I want two lessons in here. First one is going to be the form that you're going to fill out. So I'm going to call it request for information. Fill out your Google form. Excuse me. And then that form, so what I can do is I can simply link you to this Google form here, or I think I can also embed this form. All right, here we go. So I'm going to embed this form and see if that works. And how I'm going to do that is make this a text lesson and go to HTML, paste that code in here and save it. Now I'm going to preview this as a student. I haven't published it yet, but here's what it looks like. Perfect. And then the next step is to also add select a date and time. So this will be my calendar Calendly, and for that I also have the embed code right here. I'm going to do the same thing, pick a text block, go to HTML editor, and then now let's go ahead and preview this again. So if I go to select a date and time, you can pick the 30-minute meeting, and then you select the time that works good for you. So let's say 22nd, and then just pick a time from one of these slots. So let's say you do 11, and then just hit confirm. So now the last thing I want to do is make sure I'm going to publish this course. I don't care about pages or pricing. What I do care about is drip. So I'm going to enable drip schedule. Actually, no, I don't care about drip. What I do care about is you finishing the first part before you move on to the next one. So I'm going to set this as compulsory. And that's pretty much it. So now people who want to book my one-on-one coaching call can do it from right here. Thank you for watching.